Rainbow over Space Mountain. Strolling in Epcot around 11 o'clock.
It's a little later for us, but we slept in. Marissa didn't feel good last night, so she had kind of a rough sleep, and then she needed that extra sleep. And also, that way we're stacked boards. Being able to stay late. Will we still be able to make it here finally to see the fireworks at 9:30, or will we be too tired? I don't know. But we don't have much to do. Crowd level's a little high tonight because Gary Sinise is here doing the candlelight processional. So,
but he's been here all. At least his people have been here all.
That's right. The Gary Sinise Foundation's been going on all week. So, we don't need anything except walking around and some turkey. By 1 o'clock, she thinks it's going to be capacity here.
Because of Gary Sinise?
Yeah.
I mean, they have that many people. We've seen them all week, and it's been really nice seeing how much everybody kind of pitches in for that. Like the cast members have been super nice to them.
Yeah.
They've been super respectful. They've been shooting some commercials or promotional material with them. It's been really nice.
In a moment, we're going to get on a lawn chair and fly.
Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land. Join us as we ring in the most bountiful time of the year. Like the ones raised here, using our sustainable water systems, citrus, like the oranges grown here, are common in Florida. But in Northern Europe, where fresh fruit is rare in winter, they're much harder to find.
The beef bourguignon with mashed potatoes and bacon down there. And then the maple leaf shortbread cookie with maple kind of buttercream. That definitely smells like beef bourguignon. I can smell the wine. It's a thick piece. It always is.
I guess I got to take a whole.
You just bite it and put it back down.
Good.
Yeah.
Don't we have? Isn't that the order plays on our thing?
Yeah, of course. It's the same loop. It's a big cookie. It's got a nice smell to it.
Hard, soft?
Soft. Solid cookie.
Maple cream shortbread cookie.
Yep. Not overly maple, which is good. And from France here, we have turkey, mushrooms, and sweet potatoes. Marissa will skip the sweet potatoes, and I will eat them happily. Go ahead and take a bite and see what French turkey tastes like. I imagine it tastes like ennui.
Alright, well there's also pearl onions in it.
Nice hearty bites. There you go.
Very good.
So this is the turkey dinner, basically from the American Pavilion with the Snickers cookie.
I'm just going to do a small bite before it gets all mixed in with the stuff that I don't like.
Well, I like all of it.
You like all of it. I'm just going to do
plain turkey.
This is turkey.
With a little mashed potatoes.
Little mashed potatoes.
Scoopsy
and a little bit
potatoes.
Of scoopsy stuff.
Montanero, which is basically just fried pizza dough with marinara and Parmesan, and I used to make this all the time, and those days are over.
That's right. Can't just eat fried dough. What a crazy talk
We
is
used to
that?
just do that as a meal. Your metabolism will change.
It'll happen to you too. All right.
My balls are better.
Why did I do that? Well, I got food in my mouth.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos y
With Puppy Amigos, no matter where he goes, there was two and three goes, we're always together.
Oh, so we got the tostada and then the tamale. And that sauce is dark.
Very dark.
Oh my lord.
Light cannot penetrate it.
Yeah. First, I got me the holiday cookie latte, iced. It's got all the flavors. It's so strong. So much flavor.
Did you taste the cookie?
I can see through time. Oh,
But is it good?
it's very good. I mean, it is. It has got a whole bunch of flavors in it.
Baby, did you stir it?
No.
See what else lies beyond the horizon?
Club Cool. Where the cool kids come.
What flavor is that?
And me. I went in with Marissa. She's cool. I'm just a
I'm
tag
cool
along.
enough. What flavor was that one?
Rasp.
That's the one I like. Lemon.
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard explorers, it's time to go.
Hey, Crush.
Hey, what happened there? I said, hey, human dudes. Hey, bro. They live also. What a big humans rocking the bench level, but look at all these little products traveling sub level. Hey, little dudes.
Monorail.
There, Wolf.
So, we took a nap, and then we were I was thinking about going back to Epcot, but then the rest of the things, it's going to be too much walking because the whole loop around World Showcase is 1.5 miles, and then plus the front part, plus the parking lot. I mean, it's probably like another 3 miles. And my knees
very
already,
crowded.
yeah, very crowded. My knees already acting up, and the reason why we'd be going back is basically just for the fireworks show. And that fireworks show is not changing. It's not special for the season. They don't have the holiday tag on it, so we can just see it next time because we are playing around with the idea of coming back for the Festival of the Arts in a couple months. Mostly so we can hold on to our sanity as the world collapses.
No, mostly because the acronym for it is farts.
Another good reason, and Marissa's a huge farts fan. So, yeah, I was saying, it's weird. We're at a monorail resort and we've yet to take the monorail. So she started looking up places to eat, and so we're going to the Polynesian, so we'll be taking the monorail, eating at Kona Cafe, enjoying the decorations there, perhaps stopping at Grand Floridian, perhaps not, see how we feel, and then taking the monorail back to our resort. How cool is that? That is what we'll be doing for our last night here at Disney, and then tomorrow pack up the car and walk over to Magic Kingdom, which, again, how cool is that? We just love this resort so much. And to think, we were only able to afford one night here for our anniversary 20 years ago, and now we own here and come here. Well, not as much as we'd like, but come here often.
It's usually once every 2 years.
Yeah, about once every 2 years.
Because that's when we use our points.
Because that's the amount of points and all of that we have.
Yeah, well, I would stay here every time if we had the points to do it, but
But it's also nice for a variety and all of that.
But it's nice that we get to do it. And I do enjoy the other places that we stay too, like Animal Kingdom Lodge in Saratoga.
Yeah, which we'll be doing this coming year.
So come with us to the South Seas.
Ooh. Let's look at that tree. Love that tree.
Why would I use my legs like a sucker when I could have technology take me to a whole nother level?
Gimpiness has its privileges.
That's right.
It's going to be hard giving up the handicap parking because mine runs out next month. It's been sweet.
Good. It's been nice. Is that fishnet up there?
I mean, I can hurt one of your knees.
Don't worry, one of us will injure ourselves again. We'll get it back.
I don't know how. Well, they're looking at those placards, you know.
How close it is.
The date, yeah. You know, you can turn a 6 into 8 so easily.
If I could fudge my report card as a kid,
That's right. My time. I will enjoy it. This ain't no 80-foot tree. Neck for the cello. What do you think, pal? As Marissa degreens her banh mi, turkey banh mi.
I gotta put healthy stuff on me.
The big Kona burger's got mustard aioli, it's got pastrami, it's got corned beef. It's got everything. It's got everything I like. You're everything I like.
Am I on your burger?
Well, I can put some. I'd certainly manhandle your buns. Spicy.
Nice.
Couldn't not get the bread pudding, but also got this for my all my various celebrations. Yay!
Just saying, they know how to celebrate you. So we got a macaron.
Macaron. Go for it.
It's actually made from that bread.
I don't know what flavor it is.
Yes. I know, yeah. The expenses are when you get them out. Exactly.
Mocha flavored.
Might be coconut. It's just sweet.
Good.